How to install SQL Server Management Studio 2022. Introduction. In this video, I will explain how to install SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS) for SQL Server 2022 step by step. The latest version of SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS) is 19.0.2, released on March 13, 2023. SQL Server Management Studio (SSMS) is an integrated environment for managing any SQL infrastructure, from SQL Server to Azure SQL Database. It provides tools to configure, monitor, and administer instances of SQL Server and databases. Use SSMS to deploy, monitor, and upgrade the data tier components used by your applications and build queries and scripts. The SQL Server Management Studio is software for query design and manage your databases and data warehouses, wherever they are, on your local computer or in the cloud. Note, Azure Data Studio is automatically installed alongside SQL Server Management Studio, SSMS, in the latest version 19.0.2. Azure Data Studio is a cross-platform and open-source desktop tool for your environments, whether in the cloud, on-premises, or hybrid. Install Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio. Step 1. To install SQL Server Management Studio, you need to download it from this link. Step 2. Click the download button to download the SSMS 2022 executable file on the downloaded path. Step 3. Open your system's download path and find the .exe file, SSMS setup in u.x. Step 4. Double-click the X file, SSMS setup in u.exe, to start installing. The installation process of SMSS is straightforward, and you just need to follow the screen sequence. Step 5. After double-clicking, the system will ask permission. Do you want to allow the following to make a change on this computer? Click Yes to continue installing the SQL Server Management Studio 2022, or click Yes on any security prompt, or click on the Run button when getting a security warning. Step 6. The installation window will be open after giving permission to install. Click the Install button. Step 7. After loading packages, the progress bar will be shown. One is package progress and overall progress. Wait for a few minutes while the installer sets up the software. Note, command prompt, select Yes. Step 8. Installation completed. Now click the Close button. After completing the installation, restart your computer for a complete setup. Step 9. Go to All Programs in your systems. We can see two folders. One is Microsoft SQL Server 2022, and another one is Microsoft SQL Server Tool 2019. Under Microsoft SQL Server Tools 19, you can see the Microsoft SQL Server Management Studio 19. Step 10. Double-click on SQL Server Management Studio 19, and it will open looks like the below screenshot. The first opening will take a few minutes. After opening SQL Server Management Studio 2019, it looks like the above screenshot. Conclusion. In this article, we explained how to install SQL Server Management Studio for SQL Server 2022 step by step.